Today we're going to give a tutorial on how to make a stylus pad using your cell phone and your computer through the Zoom software in a teleconference. So now I have a Zoom software in my computer. This is that one. And also I have a Zoom software in my cell phone. So I use these two softwares to log into and then use an interactive stylus pad to write something during teleconference. So let's start by signing in to Zoom. So I sign into Zoom using my BUsed email, that is my work email account. I choose this one. This is my work email account. And now it will launch the Zoom software or the Zoom app. Okay, so now this is the Zoom app and I'm logged in using my BUsed email account. Okay, so now I will start my Zoom app in my phone. So what I will do here is that I will log into the Zoom account. I will log into Zoom using exactly the same account that I used to log into my computer. So now I have two accounts here. One is my personal email, the other one is my work email. So I will log into my work email. So what I'm doing now is actually logging into exactly the same account as I log in through my computer. I use exactly the same account to log into my cell phone for both Zoom softwares. So now I will start a meeting using my computer. So there's a new meeting here. And now that's starting. And so there. So this is now the Zoom teleconference room. So I'm going to invite myself. So this is the meeting ID and the password. So now here I'm going to join. I'm going to join that meeting ID. So I put that meeting ID number 432 304 and 310. I find that number from that in the computer for inviting new participants. So what I'm basically doing is I am inviting myself to that room that I just created in my computer. I am inviting myself through that Zoom account that is in my cell phone. So now there are two persons now. So it's me in my computer, and this is me in my cell phone. So now let me just disable the video in my cell phone. Okay, there you go. So I will share now my document, because what we need to do is how you're going to make annotation using your cell phone as a stylus pad. So now I'm going to share this document, this slide, lecture slide in Zoom. So now this is my lecture. I will maximize this one. Maximize, is there maximize? Okay, anyway, I don't see the maximize. To maximize, maybe I can maximize it like this. Okay, there. So now this is my lecture slide, which is also shown here in my cell phone. Okay, so what I'll do now is that view presentation there. Okay, now, so that's the presentation, and then I will see that one in my cell phone. But then why is it like this? Okay, anyway, so that's my presentation. So now I'll use my cell phone to make an annotation. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is my slide and this is now my cell phone. So I want to use my cell phone as a tool for annotation. So for example, now I will write A plus B there. So the A plus B is also shown in the monitor. So what I did is that I turned my cell phone into a stylus pad. So there are some tricks here that you can do. Uh, Sometimes some pens, if you make a stylus out of your pen, then you can do that. Or you want you to use your house key. A house key also can be used. But anyway, we don't have it now. Uh, so now let's clear those. Let's clear. Okay, there's no more. So what you can do is you can also make annotation through your screen, but it will be a little bit difficult. So remote annotation. So now you can annotate by drawing. So maybe A plus B like that is equal to C. So you can see that annotation there. But you can also do the same thing in your cell phone. So there's more control. For example, A, okay, plus B is equal to C. There. Now you can also see that in your screen. That's all. Thank you very much.